already 2 years into YouTube, and I'm thinking to quit or not. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice day. Today is the first time that I'm just talking over my videos. So my channel is a Faceless channel, no talking, just documenting daily life of different cities, mostly in Germany and Berlin, but there are other videos from other countries and cities as well. So the thing is, today is kinda my second anniversary of being into YouTube, and I'm second thoughting of continuing. So long story short, in this video I want to explain the good side and the bad side, what happened to me in these 2 years, what did I do wrong or what did I do right, in what senses it helped me, and in what senses it was like a headache for me. So first, let's start with good part. First of all, I love traveling. I love going around, not just traveling, visiting places and going to different festivals, even just walk in different streets and see the different parts of the city, especially old towns, and yeah, just discovering different places. So the first time which I thought about having a YouTube channel was when I was going around in Gothenburg and seeing the beauty of that city, which was wonderful. So I decided to document where I go, not only for monetization purposes, just to have a record of the places that I'm living or visiting. So that's how it started. So the good thing about having this channel was, or is, that I became more organized to visiting places. And at the beginning I was visiting 2-3 places per week because I was so happy about having this new hobby, and I was planning to go to as much as possible, to visit as much as possible. Pardon my English. So at the beginning I was going to different places, at least 2 per week, and I was uploading like 2 videos per week. But the first year was almost like this, and then it was 4 videos per month, like once per week. But later I'm also busy, so later it decreased to for almost a year and a half I was uploading weekly, but to be honest I didn't see that much of progress. Just a few videos about Christmas markets. I had some progress, which I was super happy. And then I'll tell you the then part after, in the negative part about my channel. So yeah, first I was visiting more places, and I was so organized in going to places. And yeah, as you see, this is Bernau. That's right now I'm visiting this place. So this is the old wall of the city, which was around the old city and was protecting people from attacks in war. Yeah, going back to the point, and it gave me a lot of enthusiasm to making more content like normally. And then the second good thing was I learned a lot of different software for editing, for editing the thumbnails, like videos, all this stuff. And yeah, these were the good parts, and now let's go move on to the negative parts of having YouTube for 2 years. So first of all, the biggest one is the frustration that I have. As I said, I don't have this channel for the monetization purpose, but later when you see, okay, this is also an option and you can do that, it's not actually about getting monetized. It's about seeing the progress in your channel, and that you've hit that milestones, you know, like 1,000 subscribers, and then the 4,000 watch times. That it shows that you're doing it good. So that's the frustration that I have. It means I'm not doing good, and it's taking a long time, like 2 years, for not seeing any progress. So yeah, the frustration is the first, the disappointment is the second. After disappointment, the other bad thing is that I keep thinking about, okay, I need to find another place, I need to have a scenario for the next video, how to edit it, does it worth it? And I keep thinking about quitting, because after all this time and spending a lot of time and effort, I still see no progress. So, and I don't know what am I doing wrong, because based on all the analytics and all the tools that I checked my channel with, I'm doing pretty good. So I don't know what is the problem with algorithm, or is it YouTube not giving me enough attention, or I don't know what is it. So yeah, this is the very negative part. But beside all I said, I'm not unhappy about having this channel, because every time when I go back and I check my videos, I'll see all the memories that I had on that time. And honestly, I'm a little bit camera shy. Even it's hard for me to talk to camera, like to speak on the video. So today, let me apologize for whatever mistake I made during this video. I know it's a lot of mistakes I'm doing, grammar wise or word selection wise, but yeah, it's because of me being very camera shy. But yeah, I decided to speak up and to share my experience of having this channel to the people that they're considering coming to this domain, like to having a channel. So you should be very patient. You need to do not invest in having, like, don't think about having money out of it, because it doesn't work like that. It's usually the thing you like. So for me, it took me 2 years of constant uploading. Why I did this? If I was thinking about only money, I would have quit long time ago. Yeah, I was about to die. So why I could continue for 2 years, for 2 long years, is the fact that I love recording and editing videos, going to different places. So for me, the money, as I said, it was not the first goal, even second or third. Later it came to my mind that I can also make money, but still I love my channel. Why I'm thinking about quitting is it's a lot of time and energy, but no result. Even I don't have a community to talk. So it's not about getting monetized, it's about not even having a community of friends in YouTube. I know there are few people that watch me always, yeah, but please write to me that you're watching, speak to me, talk to me, so I feel like I'm doing something for someone. And yeah, I know my I didn't have a script, so my words may be not very organized in terms of coming to points. I'm just talking out of my heart. And now I want to talk about one very negative thing that I did with my channel, and I hope you never do that. For me it was a disaster. So when I was close to 700 subscribers, and at that time I had that Christmas videos which were doing pretty good, so I was very happy of the result. And then I thought, okay, I'll do one Google ad, like YouTube promotion. I'll do one YouTube promotion, and then when I hit 1000, then it's only the matter of watch hour, and at least I hit one milestone, and then I'll do the second one, focus more on that. But the thing happened after I had that YouTube promotion. My channel almost died, like completely died. So the second I stopped the promotion, I've seen no more views, subscribers, nothing. I've almost gained 500, 600 subscribers, but that was very weird. It was overnight, and I only paid I think 20 euros or even less, and I hit 1000 subscribers. But the fact that I didn't receive any comments, negative or positive, doesn't matter. I didn't receive anything from them. So later on I thought maybe they are robots. I don't know what are these. But after that promotion, my channel almost died. And one of the reasons that I'm thinking of maybe not quitting, but doing one video per like a month, or even twice per 3-4 months, is that promotion which killed my channel. And after that promotion, I feel like I started from zero again. So never do that. I don't know, for me it was a disaster. If you want to do it yourself, to test it yourself, go for it, but my advice, don't do it. It's gonna kill your channel. Yeah, that was everything I had to tell you. And let me say it again, it was very hard for me to talk but I did. And I hope if you listen to me until here, I hope you send me like something that you've listened to me, and I have some friends out there, and I'm not just posting for no one. Yeah, this makes me happy if I know I have friends out there. And wish you all a good day. Ciao ciao.